The number one way businesses lose hot leads isn't poor marketing or tough competition. It's a broken contact form silently rejecting customers who are actively trying to buy. Potential customers could be trying to reach you at this very moment and you wouldn't even know it. If we haven't met before, I'm Brandon and I help business owners leverage the power of strategic web design to grow their online presence and boost their bottom line. Today I want to talk to you about something that many business owners often overlook until it's too late. And that is regularly testing your website and sales funnels. So how often do you actually test your website? And I don't mean just visiting it to see if it looks okay. I mean actively testing crucial functions like your contact forms. Contact forms are rarely something that fails dramatically or where you'd expect to see an error message. That's what makes them so dangerous. They can break silently and you might not notice for days or even weeks. All while potential customers are trying to reach you, getting frustrated, and going to your competitors instead. Let me explain why these forms sometimes fail. When you work with an experienced digital agency or web designer, they'll usually set up a proper system to handle what we call transactional emails from your website. These are automated emails that get sent to someone when they fill out your contact form, places an order, resets a password, or requests information. But here's where things get tricky. Less experienced web designers might set these up using something called SMTP, which connects your email accounts much like Outlook and Gmail does. The method works until it doesn't. If your email password changes or someone accidentally deletes that email account, well, no more form submissions coming through. And the worst part, you won't even know what's happening. So what's the solution? First, make sure your web agency has set up proper transactional emails using a dedicated service like Postmark, Mailgun, or Sendinblue. These services are specifically designed to handle these important emails and they're more reliable. But even with the right setup, you still need to test regularly. Here's how I recommend you test it. First off, test weekly. Every Monday morning or some other kind of set time, take 2 minutes to test all your contact forms on your website. Number 2, submit a real test. Don't just click around, actually fill out the form. Then check your inbox. Make sure you receive the form submissions within 5 minutes. And test again if needed. If nothing comes through, test again after 10 to 15 minutes to confirm the issue. Also check your spam folder. Sometimes these messages will get filtered incorrectly and go to your spam folder. One thing I highly recommend you do is to put a reminder in your calendar so that way you have that weekly website testing scheduled and it's always there so you don't forget about it. Now, contact forms are just one element that needs regular testing. A comprehensive website testing plan for small businesses should also include testing all e-commerce functions, like can the customer actually complete a purchase, check your page load speed because Google now prioritizes fast loading websites and your users are going to have a much better experience. Verify the mobile responsiveness. With over 60% of the web traffic now on mobile, this is crucial. And then review broken links. Dead links can frustrate users and hurt your SEO. Now, I don't want to make your list too long, but I do highly recommend also making sure that your software is up to date, so that way you're going to be more likely to be safe from malware or any other technical issues. The main thing to consider is that regular testing is going to help you catch those issues before they become catastrophic. One more thing, if you notice contact form submissions are landing in your spam folder, there are technical solutions available. I recommend working with your web agency to set up what we call SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. These are basically digital signatures that tell email providers your emails are legitimate and should be delivered to the inbox, not the spam folder. Regular testing is just one aspect of proper website maintenance. If you're finding it a challenge to keep up with all these technical details while running your business, you might benefit from a dedicated website care plan. These plans handle all the regular requests, security updates, and maintenance tasks automatically, so you can focus on what you do best, running your business. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and share it with someone else who might benefit from it. Also, drop a comment below. Let me know how often you test your website. I'd love to hear your experience and see if you've ever caught anything that was broken on it. Remember, your website is often the first impression potential customers have of your business. Don't let a simple technical issue cost you valuable leads and start testing weekly and catch those issues before they catch you.